Video number 3, Optimizing your business profile with AI. Introduction to AI in business profiles. Artificial intelligence AI revolutionizes business profiles by enhancing data analytics, customer interactions, and content personalization. AI-driven insights optimize visibility and engagement, offering businesses predictive analytics for strategic decision-making. This technology transforms how businesses manage online presence, ensuring tailored experiences and efficient operations in a competitive digital landscape. Importance of optimizing your business profile. Credibility and trust. A well-managed profile with updated information and positive reviews builds trust among potential customers. Increased engagement. Optimization enhances customer interaction through personalized content and streamlined user experiences, fostering loyalty and conversions. AI and data analytics. Advanced insights. AI enhances data analysis capabilities, providing deeper insights into customer behavior and preferences. Optimized decision-making. Data-driven insights from AI enable businesses to make informed decisions for improving operations and marketing effectiveness. Personalization with AI. Customized recommendations. AI analyzes customer behavior to offer personalized product or service recommendations. Dynamic user experiences. AI adjusts interactions in real time, providing seamless and relevant experiences across platforms and devices. AI-driven customer interaction. Automated responses. AI automates responses to customer inquiries, providing immediate support and information. Natural language processing utilizes NLP to understand and respond to customer queries in a conversational manner. 24/7 availability enables round-the-clock customer support through chatbots and virtual assistants, enhancing accessibility and satisfaction. Enhancing visual content with AI. Image enhancement. AI algorithms improve the quality of images by adjusting colors, sharpness, and clarity. Automatic tagging. AI automatically tags images with relevant keywords, improving searchability and SEO. Video editing. AI-powered tools streamline video editing processes, enhancing visuals with automated enhancements and effects. AI for review management. Review monitoring. AI monitors reviews across platforms in real time, alerting businesses to new feedback and trends. Response recommendations. AI suggests personalized responses to reviews, helping businesses maintain proactive and effective customer engagement strategies. Voice search optimization. Natural language understanding. AI optimizes business profiles to understand and respond to natural language queries used in voice searches. Featured snippets. AI helps businesses appear in featured snippets for voice search queries, increasing visibility and traffic. Predictive analytics for business insights. Data forecasting. AI-driven predictive analytics forecast future trends and customer behavior based on historical data patterns. Strategic planning. Businesses use predictive insights to make informed decisions on marketing strategies, inventory management, and customer retention. Measuring success with AI. Key performance indicators (KPIs) define metrics such as engagement rates, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction scores influenced by AI implementations. Comparative analysis. Compare performance before and after AI integration to quantify improvements in efficiency, customer experience, and revenue generation. Implementing AI tools. Assessment and strategy development. Evaluate business needs and goals to identify suitable AI tools and solutions. Integration and deployment. Collaborate with AI vendors or internal teams to integrate selected tools into existing systems and processes. Training and adoption. Educate employees on using AI tools effectively, ensuring seamless adoption and utilization across departments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.